Hello friends, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In today's video, we will be talking about a weird bug due to which old deleted photos reappeared on iPhones and iPads after installing the latest iOS version, 17.5. But before we move forward, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us to create more similar videos. Reddit is full of threads where users are reporting that after installing the recently released iOS 17.5, update their old photos which were deleted a long time ago reappear on iPhone and iPad. One user reported a photo I took 2 years ago has suddenly reappeared at the top of my Photos app. Another user reported that 5 old raw photos from 2020 appear in my photo gallery with the date on them saying today and the time is the AMP being the same time the update finished. Another user reported that we created not safe for work material years ago, which was deleted permanently, is back again in the gallery. Just like that, there are multiple threads where users are reporting about this bug. Affected users are annoyed by this bug and showing their frustration. It seems unclear what's going on, but because some of the photos were taken years ago, this can't be about recently deleted photos getting restored. In Apple's Photos app, when you delete photos or videos, they stay in the recently deleted folder for 30 days. This lets users either get them back or delete them forever from all their devices. As per the reports, it seems like an indexing bug, photo library corruption, and syncing issue between local devices and iCloud photos. Apart from this, there's the possibility that this bug evolved in an attempt to fix the photo syncing bug that appeared in iOS 17.3. Right now, there's no official statement made by Apple on this issue. But whenever we get more updates on this, we update the information in the description. In the meantime, if you're aware of any solution or workaround to deal with this bug, then feel free to share in the comments. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.